What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix camera not focusing in Narzo 70 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on camera, and here you can first stop your camera. Now click on first stop and then again click on first stop. After first stop your camera, then go back to your home screen and open your camera. In camera, on top right corner you can see these three lines. Now click on it and then click on settings. Now scroll down in last and here you can see the option restore defaults. Now click on it and then click on restore. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.